Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with guidelines to help you get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site Qakabaw.sbs. Qakabaw.sbs is a really dangerous site. It now attacks Google Chrome and other well-known browsers. It tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by this resource, just leave the deceptive page. In order to be convinced that the computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I recommend you to examine the computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page Qakabaw.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system. After you start Qakabaw Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Qakabaw Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Qakabaw Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Qakabaw Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Qakabaw Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Qakabaw Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.